Hey, this is Boo, you with a Second Income Solutions, your solution to a second income. Affiliate marketing for beginners, real tips for affiliate marketers. Without a doubt, affiliate marketing is one of the most profitable ways to make money online. Every day, more and more people realize how lucrative affiliate marketing can be. Some people believe that this type of online money-making method on how to be a marketing affiliate is too hard to apply and will not generate any real income. This is so untrue. For affiliate marketing beginners, a full-time income is definitely possible with the right training and strong desire to succeed. In this video, I will share with you some useful affiliate marketing tips that will assist you in reaching your goals and how to get started in affiliate marketing. If you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, let me give you a quick rundown. Affiliate marketing is simply promoting other people's products for a commission. Affiliates are individuals who promote these products. Super affiliates are affiliates who know how to make a lot of money as an affiliate. It is the dream of every serious affiliate to become a super affiliate and make money from affiliate marketing. I'm going to share some affiliate marketing tips with you that will really help you get where you want to go. The first tip to becoming an affiliate marketer is to concentrate. This is so true that affiliate marketing has the potential to make anyone a lot of money. But to do this, you will need to pay attention and work hard and follow the affiliate marketing programs for beginners. You must understand that this will require some effort on your part, but once you understand the game, the sky's the limit in terms of your earning potential. Tip 2 to becoming an affiliate marketer: study the art of it thoroughly. When it comes down to making money through affiliate marketing, there's a lot to learn. No, you don't need a college degree to be successful. But it wouldn't hurt to treat affiliate marketing like a class. The more information you collect, the better. There are numerous resources available to teach you everything you need to know. Tip 3. Choose products that people are interested in. When it comes down to making a lot of money in this business, do your research. It's highly crucial. There are many ways to find out if people want to buy the product that you want to sell. Choose one of these methods to find the products that will make you the most money. Also, make sure you learn as much as you can about the products themselves. You should always promote high-quality products. And tip 4 to becoming an affiliate marketer: keep your marketing strategy as simple as possible. Determine which marketing technique works best for you and stick with them. Trying a variety of marketing techniques can ultimately harm your results. And it's never a good idea to overextend yourself. Choose 2 or 3 of these methods and apply them until the cows come home. These tips will be extremely beneficial to you. All you have to do now is put them into action and keep going until you reach your goals. Learning how to make money online with affiliate marketing is a very real possibility. I hope and pray that you can see it now. According to the studies, more than 85% of Americans wish they knew how to make extra money. See how I make money with affiliate marketing for beginners every month and how you can do the same. Do you want to know exactly how to make income from anywhere in the world? We're offering a free affiliate marketing training. Just click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Second Income Solutions. And Second Income Solutions, your solution to a second income.